Yeah, what's up? So, today we're going to ride the dope bike. I've been to a ride, West Yale now. Believe it or not, you guys probably have seen on my buddy Cole video. You've probably seen this red bike before. I bought this bike off him for $400. A pretty good deal than how much money he wanted to get out of it, but he said cheaper because I'm his buddy. And yeah, I went through some stuff and I had to get money somehow, so I sold my bikes. This is the only bike I got. I went to Cole's yesterday. We went on a bike ride, so if he didn't make a video, that's sad, but he was saying he wished he did. But yeah, it wasn't like this before I bought. Don't get me wrong. It is like this because I was popping it really on it and learning how to get it really and find the balance point. So that is why it is like that. So, but for now, it's alright. And if you guys can tell in the shot right there, I don't know where I'm pointing right there, you can see it. Yeah, I got a new phone mount too now. So, and you should be able to hear me better because I got my iPhone on hooked up right now. So it should be better, and you should be able to hear me way better. And you shouldn't have to turn the TV all the way up to the max to hear me now. So that's a good thing. But yeah, I would say we should get this bad boy started running. And you guys can probably tell I'm not in the same area with Cole. I wish, but you know, sometimes you just have to deal with the stuff you got going on, and if you like it or not. So okay. But yeah, me, Cole, and his other buddy, he was running the motorized bicycle, the YD100, I think he was running. Oh, that was the name of. I do not know too, so but I want to say so. First tick. What a good motor is this. But let it warm up for a minute. She might need some warm up to do. You know what? I'm gonna see if I can make you see a bit better. Let me see. Come on. You motherfucker. Okay, maybe make it bigger. There you go. That's gonna be better for C. Yeah, you can do that with same phones, but you can't with the iPhones. So maybe you should be able to see better now. Oh yeah, I got this bike from Cole for $400. Best fucking deal, dude. I can't really say much about it. I mean, this is my dream bike, and he knows it. He know it was, and he know I've been wanting a pit bike. And we found this bike in a junkyard somewhat, not really. It was at a mud we was at a mud place to go in the mud, and we saw this thing all beat down, and so I said, Cole, look at that, dude. And he said, no way. And we took it to him, and he fixed everything about it. And yeah, now I got it. Oh yeah, it's a good bike for sure. I do need to fix it up a little bit in the summer if I have the money to. Just I don't know what I'm gonna do when I get out of school. The way I am doing, I don't know. I'm hoping I can stay with my sister and her girlfriend until I figure out where I need to get going up and what to do. Me and my girlfriend is saving money up. But yeah, we don't really know yet. We don't know what to do yet. But maybe one day we will see what we were going to do. But yeah. But yeah, she's a good bike. She's a good bike for me. I don't want no big bike. I mean, you guys probably say, what the fuck, you pushy ass bitch. I don't care. I don't like big bikes. My balls is not big enough to be driving a goddamn bike like that. No way. Oh shit, I got dogs. I don't like 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 dogs. Oh shit, I get my... The fucking ice is fucking... Oh god damn, it's icy. Damn. Whew. I didn't know I shipped down too much. But it's okay, there's ice, so I didn't hook the engine. It's okay. It's not bad today. There's some sun out. See if I can make up this hair. With the ice. Oh yeah, she's okay. Look how nice that is. Holy cow. Someday I need to come here at the night time a little bit and show you what it looks like. It's beautiful up now. Nothing like Pennsylvania, but it does alright. It's beautiful, but not for me. And yes, I'm going down here, because I'm in the bitch. I'm not trying to fall down and eat shit. I hope you guys can hear me alright. I'm pretty sure you guys can. Okay, the dog is on a leash. I hope so. I don't want to get bite. No, no bites. No bites. No bites. No bites. No bite. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. took me down. Fuck that, dude. Hell no. The pump is like eating my tackle way up. I can't feel anything down there. I don't like this. It's too goddamn cold. God damn. Why you gotta be so cold? Yes, I'm in Bojamie's. I don't want to tell you goddamn thing. Bojamie's is nice and warm right now. Warmer than any fucking place of this kind of weather. Oh shit, it's cold out. But yeah, I just wanted to take a video. I text her and say, hey, I will probably see if I have time to take a video on the little pit bike tomorrow, and that was today. So I did. Should I pop it right on the highway? Because this counts as the highway. It's okay. I can see jail one day. It's not that bad. That might eat my booty up, but that's okay. Is it? No. Is it somewhat? I don't know. What can we do? Okay, get me off the road. Get me off the highway. Oh yeah, I can pop it ready. My feet is not on the foot pads, just hanging around. And people say that is not a ready, and that's not how you ready. I don't give a fuck. If I'm up in the sky like that, I'm fucking ready. No matter what anybody fucking say. I will see someone do it better than me. Okay, one more. But yeah, I will say that's a good enough video for you guys. And I am sorry I've been not making much videos. I just got this phone mount not too long ago. Well, a couple days ago I got it. But I will just take a video and tell you what's been going on with me. But yeah, for now, I'm an adult bike kid. For I don't know how long for. Maybe one day I will get another bicycle. I don't know, Cole want me to get another one. But I will see. You don't know real fast. Go on. Oh shit. Okay. But yeah, this is a nice little bike. I put a new engine on it, a 125cc. But yeah, only thing I'm having problems with is this bitch is this week in order, like no day tomorrow. But I will not end the video right now. I will end the video when I hit Reno, because I know people might want to hear it, and I know call by rides and say, I want to hear you hit the Reno. Well, you guys have a good day, be safe, and stay warm. Peace out.